As tradition, we will celebrate the 4th of July with some fireworks being shot up out the sky. I actually saw some because according to my sister, there was some fireworks there. Now, it won't happen until 9:25 though, so like we still have time left, but you know, that's a little surprise of what's gonna come. I think you're not getting it right now, but like we gotta wait a little bit, so I'll catch you then. Oh wow, there's some horses. I think this is like the 4th of July parade. That's back then before cars. That's before cars and people. And me when the term horsepower came. Oh, whoa! Well, we got something. What is that? Like the Eiffel Tower?
It's a star.
It's kind of, yeah. That's the drones. Oh, that's a Macy star. This video is not sponsored though. Oh wow, that's actually impressive. Yep, that's the first time we're using drones. Oh, that's the American flag. Oh my goodness. 50 stars, 13 stripes. Yeah, drone technology is actually good. They use it in sports venues as well, if you didn't know. Oh, that's actually nice looking. Yep, I think modern fireworks is gonna be this. Wow, that's like a star. Yep, these are the drones right here. It's not fireworks, it's drone works or fire drones. But that'll be very bad if they catch on fire. So, 3, 2, 1. Oh, we got it! Wow! Oh my God! See that? The drone was just a part of the show. You know? I like taking these images like this to celebrate the 4th of July like this. Oh wow! Oh look at that! Look at it go! Yep. I waited 2 hours. Yeah, it's honestly magnificent to see these like every year. Like it's moments like worth celebrating right here. Oh my goodness! And I got like the best seat in the house right here. Wow. They always give you that feeling every year. Like honestly every year. That's why I'm committed to go places like this. Yes. Nearly 250 years of freedom and independence and democracy. Yeah, they are so loud. Wow, they are so loud. Oh my goodness. Every year it gives you that energy. Never. People say like, why you keep coming here? Because it gives me that energy. I really like spending my time here. 40th and 11th Avenue. It just covers the sky in color, as you can see here. It really does. And the way that reflects over on that building right there, the Javits Center, lovely. What are those? Yeah, they were also making shapes too. Yeah, I got this. That's why I'm recording that. Those are like making a plants right there. Yeah, they love making shapes. People usually say like my favorite color is the red ones or the blue ones, but it's all these colors. It's just so universal this way. Taking pictures of this will be very nice right here. Oh wow. When I saw that drone that says when it's counting down, that's how you know it's gonna happen.
It's still going.
Oh man. Everyone got their phones out. They're cooking this moment. They are saving everything. Oh my god. Freaking incredible. Yup. It's just gonna cover the sky with color and smoke. And we're gonna be drenched, that's what. Oh my goodness. Why did it all have to be filled with raining? Oh man. It's on my like skin. I know you can't see it, but it's on my skin. Ah. Okay, now I think it should be over, right? But like, it doesn't end until like they do like a huge shower. Then that's it. But it still looks awesome though. Like come around and shot, we still show up. We still show up. And we love it. It's tradition. Jordan, this is the best, oh my god. Oh my freaking goodness. Imagine our areas they hear this like, what is that door noise? That's making plans as well. Yeah, those are the staples that I hereby want to deliver here. Picture perfect moment. Is it freaking over now? Okay, good. Now let's go. we're gonna trench here. We're gonna trench in New York. We're gonna trench in New York, people. Okay. Well, that was a good 4th of July, although it's rain now. So, yeah. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.